Hi, I am Dr. Laleiki. I finished my BHMS and also my Masters in Clinical Embryology. And now I'm doing my ICSI course training in Milann, June 2025. It was a very good exposure. Basically, we got three exposure of the ICSI micromanipulator and also under the guidance of Dr. Ashraf sir, which was a very good teacher, and also the staff. I would like to thank them for being friendly and helping us in whatever work we have to finish. And also I want to thank sir first of all for his time and his dedication, and it is a very nice course, very beautiful exposure, and I would recommend everyone who is doing clinical embryology to do this course for a better hands-on training. Thank you.